Hi friends, I'm in my crazy pink and orange bedroom. I'm debating on giving this big picture that was at my brother's house to Bibles for Missions. You can see there's a lot of reflection from my window behind me. I wanted to start hanging up all my fun beaded purses in here, and I really don't have a whole lot of room on this wall. Right now there's only 3 over here, but I do intend to go up a little higher. I bought a lot of these hooks, fancy hooks from Hobby Lobby this past summer, months ago. And there really weren't a lot of, there's still a tag on that one. There weren't a lot of flower ones. There was this kind also. And I did want to have a variety. So I'll probably put that mirror back up again. It would be narrower and it would give me a lot more room. I've always admired this picture from my brother's house. It was in one of his spare bedrooms. It says Andy Mack, 1986. And this is one of our new chairs. It is not leather. It was very inexpensive, really, on sale. And I really do love that they're small and very lightweight, easy to move. As you can see, I'm storing my Swung Vase collection in here. There's some bittersweet and milk glass only in this room. So I wanted to make a video of this wall for remembrance, and of course to show you too. It is just a darling picture to me, but it's kind of a problem with glass on anything this big. It's actually a little hard to see, especially during the daytime. And I do have so many more purses. I'll show you what's hanging on the door right now. I also want to share soon what else I've been putting on this shelving. I've rearranged all this shelving. I've had my bangle bracelet collection for a long time, but I decided to put all these crazy fun cats over here, so I had to make one section really, really tall for them. I could take the tall ones out and then lower that shelf. I have a new gift from a very kind viewer. I'm already forgetting her name. I shouldn't forget her name. I've had it on my mind for months. She was so generous, giving me so many wonderful gifts. This huge box that came to the house. Jennifer Dawson. That's it. Didn't take me too long, but my senior memory is often difficult to pull up things quickly. So I also made a very narrow section to show some of the crazy earring trees that I've collected over the years. So I was rearranging my purses too. But yeah, I want to make room for the one from Jennifer and another new one that I ended up purchasing myself. It's not up there, so it's sitting around somewhere. But yeah, I'm sorry that I have decided not to keep this, but you can see it's quite a problem trying to show anything. I opened up my blinds so I could get some better light in here. But these are some more of the purses that I want to hang up. But yeah, I think it will be very fun to have a wall of purses. We'll see how soon I get all this done. I hope it's pretty soon. I know we got a lot of holiday stuff coming up though, so I don't know. I forgot some things that I wanted to add in here. Norm found the white purse in a closet that he has worked on changing things around in for me, for my clothing. He's just revamping a room, and I want to apologize for anything you saw behind me. It's a disaster behind me because he decided to take over the turquoise bedroom that was, I'd say, Hollywood Regency type decor in there. You know, I had lady head vases on a pretty glamorous shadow box in black and gold that was high gloss finish. We show that in a turquoise bedroom video, or I should say I did that bedroom, and there was an old video of that bedroom too, so I will link that above if you want to see what that's like. But Norm decided to take over that room for himself. His collectibles are too many for the basement, and he felt I had way more room in the house with my stuff, so he decided to take it over. So there's a lot of my things that I had to move out of that room, and they're sitting behind me, like a lot of bird figurines that I stored in there or displayed in there. So I have a dilemma trying to figure things out, and Norm does deserve that room for his things. So that was fine with me, but he bought me a bunch of new bins that I can pack away some of the birds if I'm not showing them to you in a special video. So he found this purse that I had thrifted a couple years ago for $10. I couldn't believe I found it at Family Pathways. It's in beautiful condition, probably a 50s. It's very soft bag, and inside that, Norm handed it to me and he said, there's something pretty heavy in this purse. I don't know what it is. He didn't open it up, but this was in there, and this cute little one was in there. So those will be incorporated on my wall. This one I wanted to tell you was glass beads. I think I found it on sale for $12. It was half price. Very, very fancy. But I'll share more of where these purses were made when I make the video. And I did forget to put this beautiful Afghan that I found in Hopkins, Minnesota antique mall that was also on sale for $12. Just beautiful condition, and it's really a big Afghan. So yes, I'm being very crazy by adding this crocheted pillow in orange, crazy oranges, next to the pretty pink Afghan, because I like pink and orange just to be crazy. So there's a sneak peek. I did put the mirror up there because the picture is now gone. This is a couple days later. I'm not going to show you the mirror because then you're going to see all the stuff piled up behind me on my ironing board. So that's what I'll be adding to the collection, and see how far up I can go, but it might take me some time to figure all this out so it will look nice. So thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye now.